Notion I Enterprise Productivity Suite Pricing explained what you get for your money. Notion has become a household name for productivity and team collaboration. But what happens when you take it to the enterprise level with I included? Let's break down exactly what you get for your money. Notion's enterprise pricing is custom, but it generally starts around $2 per user per month, with additional costs for I features. On the surface, that may seem like a steep jump from the free or plus plan, but the real value lies in how it transforms collaboration at scale. Most people get this wrong. They think Notion is just for notes or project tracking. In reality, at the enterprise tier, it becomes a full productivity operating system powered by artificial intelligence. The I component helps teams summarize documents, generate content, brainstorm ideas, and even extract key insights from massive databases. Instead of scrolling through endless pages, you can ask Notion I questions like, "What are last quarter's priorities?" and get an instant, accurate summary. Beyond I, enterprise users gain robust admin controls, SAML single sign-on, audit logs, and advanced permissions to manage large organizations securely. You also get unlimited version history and custom user roles critical for compliance-heavy teams. Notion Enterprise is designed for teams that need both flexibility and structure. With dedicated onboarding, priority support, and analytics dashboards, it helps enterprises scale knowledge management without chaos. In short, Notion I Enterprise combines the creativity of an I assistant with the structure of a secure workspace, turning scattered team knowledge into a strategic advantage.